Okay, in this video we're going to talk about building a subscriber list, and this is probably going to be the most important thing that you're going to be able to do to monetize your blog. And basically what you're doing when you are building a subscriber list is that you are building a list of names and email addresses of people who are interested in your content. Now, there are several ways to monetize a list, but one of the ways in which you want to think about this is that when you have a list of names and email addresses, every time that you create new content, you can literally send thousands of new subscribers to, or thousands of subscribers to see your actual post and to react to it. Therefore, if you are reviewing a product, as we talked about in the last video, if you are introducing a new affiliate product or you have created a product of your own, when you have an email list, you can literally show that email list everything that you're doing new on your blog. If, let's say, you are doing AdSense or you are doing some form of passive monetization, you can send an email to your list with a link to your new page where they can go and see all of the content, and some will actually click on the passive AdSense links that you have there on the page. So what are you going to need in order to build your subscriber list? Well, you're going to first need an autoresponder. And one of the ways that you can do that, and I'll show you this here in a minute. We'll just slide this right over to your to the screen here. Name of the site is called aweber.com, and you may have already heard of it. aweber.com is a website where you can create an autoresponder message. You can collect names and email addresses, and Aweber will help you to send messages to them without any of them ending up going to the spam folder or without you getting in trouble with spam laws, because you just cannot send lots of emails from your regular Gmail account. You need to have something coming from a server that assures that you are not sending spam. And so you can create opt-in email lists that basically allow you to get permission from people to send them marketing messages. Okay, another company just like them, I've shown you Aweber, is called GetResponse. And I'll show you that here right now. GetResponse.com. It's the same kind of company, different from Aweber, but for the most part provides the same kind of service. You are basically collecting names and email addresses that you will use as your email database. Now, probably the most important thing that you'll need in order to get your subscriber list is that you'll need to give them a good reason to opt in. You'll need to give them a good reason to opt in. Now, what that means is that you're going to need to give them some kind of free report, and there are 4 basic rules to creating a free report. Number 1, you should be showing your readers something new. In other words, your readers are not going to want to opt in to learn something that everyone already knows. You should be showing them something new, something that's very important. If you are working with weight loss patients, or you're working with weight loss in that niche, you'll want to make sure you're sharing something important for them to know. Something about weight loss that's important for them to know now. It's to your advantage when your report is written that it's something that they'll want to know immediately, because this will cause them to opt in. And it should be, of course, beneficial to them. It should benefit them immediately. It should benefit them right away. Those are the 3 basics that you're going to need in order to create that opt-in report. Now, this is the first of a couple of videos that we're going to be using to talk about building a subscriber list. It is the most important part to monetizing your site, because once you have an email subscriber list, you can literally command traffic to see everything that you're doing and to send traffic to your offers and affiliate offers. So this is a very important part of the series. So with that, thanks, and I will see you in the next video where we'll be talking about part 2 of building a subscriber list in this monetizing your blog series of videos.